Welcome, today I'm with Marshal Minor 2 wireless earphones and I'll show you how you can move them to the pairing mode manually. So at first you have to be sure that they are turned off. In this place you can find indicator, as you can see in my case it's blinking and I'm actually connected. So take a look, I'm going to disconnect and forget this device. Yeah, just like that, and I'm gonna turn them off. You have to click and hold for 3 seconds this gold button. Right now, when you hear notification on your earphones and this indicator, the red highlight disappear, you have to just click and hold this gold button one more time, but for 5 seconds right now. So let's make it. Click and hold. Keep holding. And right now release when this indicator turns from the red to the blue color. Right now when you refresh your list, you will be able to connect with your Minor 2 earphones. So as you can see, that's how we can turn them manually to the pairing mode and basically pair them with Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.